Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out what might be the best braided fishing line out there, the Seek Night Weight. Whether you fish from a boat, shore, in fresh or salt water, this line delivers on strength, casting, and sensitivity. Let's dive into the features pros, cons, and see if it deserves a spot in your tackle box. Let's get started. Product features. Advanced wide-angle technology. The Seeknight W8 line uses advanced wide-angle technology to give you greater casting distance and improved accuracy. This makes a big difference when you're targeting fish in hard-to-reach areas or casting across open water. Durable braided PE material. Made from high-quality braided PE, this line is both strong and flexible. It's built to handle tough fights with species like bass, trout, or even saltwater predators without snapping or fraying under pressure. Floating line for topwater action. A standout feature of the W8 is its ability to float, making it perfect for topwater fishing. If you're using surface lures or bait, this helps maintain better control and a more natural bait presentation. Level shape for smooth casting. The line's even level shape reduces tangles and improves manageability. It glides smoothly through the guides, giving you consistent, tangle-free casting whether you're fishing from a kayak, dock, or shoreline. Silicone resin coating for extra durability. The W8 II series features a silicone resin coating that increases heat dissipation and abrasion resistance by up to 50% over the previous generation. This adds another layer of toughness for rocks, weeds, and rough handling. UV protection and color retention. Thanks to UV-resistant technology, the line maintains its color and integrity even after long days in the sun. This ensures both appearance and durability stay strong over time. High sensitivity for structure and strikes. With excellent line sensitivity, you can feel even the slightest nibbles or bottom changes. This gives you quicker reaction time and better control in both deep and shallow waters. Seawater proof and anti-corrosion. Finally, the W8 line is built for saltwater with a corrosion-resistant coating, ensuring lasting performance even in harsh marine environments. Pros. Exceptional casting distance and accuracy. Strong PE build suitable for freshwater and saltwater. Floats well for topwater presentations. UV resistant with long-lasting color. Silicone coating enhances durability. Super sensitive for better bite detection. Smooth handling with minimal tangling. Cons. May be slightly pricier than basic braided lines. Some anglers might prefer color options for different water conditions. Floating nature may not suit all bottom fishing techniques. Final thoughts. The Seeknight W8 braided fishing line isn't just another line. It's a top-tier choice for serious anglers looking for performance, strength, and versatility. With advanced casting technology, high durability, floating action, and superior sensitivity, it's built to handle nearly any fishing challenge. Whether you're an amateur learning the ropes or a seasoned pro who demands the best, this line delivers where it counts. From freshwater bass to saltwater giants, the W8 is ready to take on your next fishing adventure. Check the price link in the description and see if it's the right fit for your gear setup. And don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more fishing gear reviews, outdoor tools, and the best picks for your next trip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.